Right. Remember how to use it?
Go ahead, make a phone call. Gotta dial that phone number.
One. No, I already messed it up. How do you restart?
You're
not even starting the correct
You didn't
way.
even start right.
Hold on.
How do you dial 1?
Like,
That would be a 9.
this is 9?
What hole did you put your finger in?
Oh.
1. That's 1. Let go.
And then I gotta go 9. 9.
Yeah. But it's not working, is it?
No.
You gotta lift the handle.
You gotta put that up to your ear.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I seen them do this in the movie.
Now dial 1 and let go. You hear the beep? So when you hear the beep, you can do the next one.
Oh, I messed up.
You gotta start over. You gotta hang up the phone. That's what hang up means, because you hang it on the thing. You pick it up.
You hang it on the rope.
Yeah, you hang up the phone. You hang it on the hook.
I tried it and it's hard.
Oh, I had to do it when I was your age.
When I was 3, I couldn't even do it.
Not at all.
How old are you
do it
now?
No.
How old are you now? I feel very bad. How old are you? Call
Oh, you screwed up. Now you gotta start all over.
Yeah, you messed up.
Yeah.
I want to try. Hold on.
You gotta do them all right in the order, real fast.
1. Oh
Yep.
yeah, I forgot. Hold on.
Do you hear the tone?
1, 9.
Oh, I don't know where my phone is.
Hurry up!
Oh, it's in my hand.